I've already tried to film this once before and I just couldn't get my words out. So Lord Jesus, take the wheel. Heyo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and I'm back with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now what I've got to open up this week is a little collab Adidas did with Bad Bunny. So they kind of took it back, a little bit of a throwback to the 2000s, and they've kind of done this collab on the CL responses. Now I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and be like, I know bare things about this silhouette. I don't. I'm really not into Adidas like that. I only really pick up the collabs if I'm honest. So I'm quite interested to get in on these because they did look different. So I guess there's really nothing else to do but to go ahead and open these up. Now as always on this channel, this commitment is real. We're about to open this up together. So before I go ahead and do that, don't forget to leave a like or comment, subscribe, because it's corny to say, but it bare helps. See, I feel like I'm forgetting something, but it just gets to the point where I'm like, I want to open these. Okay, see, I knew the box was going to be nice because I try to not look at anything online until I'm opening these up. But sometimes, yeah, Instagram just be showing you things you don't want to see in it. Like, it's a sick box though. These are kind of mad. This box is mad. Look at that tech. I'm easily pleased in it. So here we have this quite interesting box. I've never really seen a box like this. It's quite heavy duty. It's more on this green, kind of really light green colour. On the front, all we've got is the branding. So obviously we've got Adidas. I'm guessing this is the Bad Bunny logo. I didn't really cop these. I got no beef with Bad Bunny in it, but it's not really my thing. So I just got them because they look nice, but I'm guessing that's his little logo there. There is also just on the front, and we've got the names also on the side. At the front, as always, name of the crepe and size. Still don't have a clue what size I'm in any Adidas crepes. So as always, try to play it safe a little bit, and I've got a size 5. Bougie boxes. I'm rating Adidas with the bougie boxes. So what we do also get with this is a little dust bag, again with the exact same branding that we had on the front of the box. Again in this, I'm going to call it like a light mint greeny colour. That's definitely what it's coming up. But yeah, let's open it up. Oh, actually I think I like these. I thought I was going to send these back, but these might be mad enough for me to like them. They're giving me major dad vibes, but you're going to be fly picking up your ute from school in these, innit? The laces also remind me of the Wave Runner laces, if I'm honest. Like, very similar. I'm excited. Let's get on some details, man. So let's start with the upper. We do have this mesh material that is in this kind of off-white colour. It's definitely giving you that retro and that age look. They've hit on that, I can't lie. This makes me feel like something I wore on my feet when I was a youth. Definitely like bringing that back. If we want to go into the overlays, we have silver and white overlays. The silver's a kind of metallic shiny where the white is matte. But the white also on these areas actually has stitching all the way on it. So it just gives it a mad appearance. You will get a zoom in on that. Now, not only are these overlays a nod to the ZX8000s, which are very much similar in the kind of same style design, the drip effects are kind of made to look like they've just kind of been put on there randomly, as if you were to have dropped something on your shoe. Now, I did read the inspiration behind that in the first place was ice cream. So I don't know if you're dropping ice cream on your crepe or something. I don't know. It might be true because I've also read that another concept he had was based on coffee. So maybe he just likes food, innit? I don't know. I can get behind that. Deep down, I'm a chubby girl inside. So cool, whatever. Obviously, this wouldn't be an Adidas crepe without the 3 stripes. Now, what I didn't realise on the pictures now in real life, that these 3 stripes aren't actually on the shoe itself. They are actually kind of stitched on these overlays. So there is, you can move these about. And they're in this kind of shiny, plasticky material. And it's definitely reminiscent of something I had on my crepes in the 2000s. So they've definitely hit on that one. We then have this supercharged midsole, which is in that aged effect. I've seen a lot of shoes use the aged effect, but I think it's just unnecessary. They're just trying to bang it on the hype and it just looks dumb. These, though, absolutely the right decision. I feel like they've really made like a time capsuled piece, and I feel like it most definitely suits. Obviously we do have some more of the overlays kind of dripping down on here, and we do have some more silver accents that kind of just mirror the branding above. We also have this rubber outsole that just leads into the sole itself, which they've tried to be very reminiscent of the 2000 model. So not only do we have the Adi Prime and also the Torreson systems in here, these are something brand new to me. Like I said, I might have wore these as a kid, but it just would have gone bare over my head. So I have no idea on the comfort factor on these, but I don't know, I'm interested to get these on feet. Going into the tongue, we just have the exact same colour, exact same materials, just all fits really nicely. We then have the Adidas 3 stripes with the name on the tongue. It's kind of a little bit rubberized, it's a little bit raised on there. We just go into these laces, which are kind of off colour again, more of the yellow. Like I said previously, they really remind me of my Wave Runner laces, like very much similar on the texture, how they feel, the size, shape, colour, everything. For me is very much similar. Going down into the toe box, again, very much similar of the all over crepe. But we do have this nice little added detail that you can see this little bit of rubber poking through with the Adidas branding. Going inside to the soles, we then just have the exact same branding that appeared on the box and the dust bag, that joint collab of Adidas and Bad Bunny. It's quite interesting that when you look in here, you can actually see how high your foot is going to be sitting up in these. You can tell there is going to be quite a lot of chunk under you, so these are probably going to give you some height. But yeah, very, very dad shoe. Heading towards the back and the heel, it's very much similar to the rest of the shoe. We have more silver and white leather overlays, again with a little bit more stitching. And then just nicely above that, we do have the more Bad Bunny logo branding with his little eye. Now, if there's nothing left to talk about, I want to go put these on my feet. Now, if you want to go pick these up and you're kind of unsure on sizing, for me, these fit blessed, and I would definitely say I'd recommend going true to size. There's not as much room in the toe box as normal, but I don't think it's tight or restrictive at all. It kind of just fits me kind of spot on. But if you're one of them people who do like that just little bit of extra room in the toe box, then maybe err on the side of caution and go that half a size up. Now, if you've been on this channel a minute, you know that one other thing that I do like to do is just give my initial first ratings. Out of the box, what's on my mind? Little gas rating, yeah? And these are sexy. That's what's on my mind, yeah? These look fit on feet. I can't lie. I was fully expecting to return these and thinking, nah, these are gonna, I like mad, but these are gonna look too mad. These are gonna look just not right. But nah, these are nice, and you get the extras, you get the dust bag, all of that stuff. I think these were only $132, so it's not even breaking your bank. So I'm gonna have to give these a solid 8. So there you have it, guys. That's just my little rundown of the Responsi Ailes Bad Bunny collabs. Super nice shoe in my opinion, but I know a lot of people are gonna disagree. So most definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, if you managed to pick up or if you're looking to get these. Any of that good stuff, let me know below. Alternatively, as always, you can come over to IG, as that's where I'm hanging out most of the time, if I'm honest. So yeah, until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. I know you man thought I was dumb for picking these up, yeah? Nah. And if you are new, innit, welcome. Welcome to the little, I don't know what we're going on. Club? Gang? Can I call it a gang? I don't know. It's something. So there you have it, guys. My little rundown. I forgot what they're called. I forgot what they're called already.